Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel everybody. Listen man, real quick, I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm working on a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. That's right, with 3.6 liter engine. These are some real good engines, man. What's going on is the check engine light on. That's right, and the code is one you have seen 1,000 times. It happens all the time. Personally, I think this the calibrations in the computer is a little sensitive for this engine. So well, let's get on with it. Let me explain to you what's going on. Talked to the customer. She said, well, I just replaced the thermostat. We just had it replaced. Now, you know me, my next question is, what kind of thermostat did you put on? Did you put on a high quality Mopar thermostat? She's not sure what the shop put on. So, but what I want to point out to you is there may be more to it than just replacing the part. Or there may be just a calibration change to repair the car. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See, like I say, they essentially had the thermostat already replaced. So let's take a look. This is pretty easy. Doing the thermostat on this job is real simple, all right? As you can see, it is right there. And as you can also see, it looks new. And it looks like a Mopar thermostat. So, what are the chances of it needing another thermostat? Probably slim to none. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you something right now. I'm gonna take you over to the computer. Okay, as you can see, I'm in front of my computer. We have here 2012 model. That is a 2012 Jeep. Now, this bulletin applies to vehicle equipped with the 5.7 or the 3.6. That Jeep happens to be a 3.6. Now, what we are required to do, or what we need to do in a case like this, is simple. Reprogram the PCM. Basically, we go into your PCM, wipe out the calibrations out of your PCM, put in new calibration. And the reason a small number of customers may experience a mild illumination, that's basically a check engine light. Upon further investigation, a technician may find one or more of the following DTCs. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the DTC we keep coming up with. So basically, the repair for this problem will be, we need to flash update the controller. This bulletin involves reprogramming the PCM with the latest available software. Now, what I'm thinking is they simply desensitize it. Like I say, this is a 3.6 liter engine. It might be, calibrations in the PCM may be a little sensitive. You know, I don't know. So what we got to do is flash update this controller, and it may take care of a problem, because not all problems are hardware. Like the hardware in this case is a thermostat. It could be some software. Could be a software issue. And in this case it is. We need to flash update the controller, and that should take care of our problem. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. If you got that P0128 code, take it to the dealership so they can flash update your controller, especially if you just replaced the thermostat. The chances of you needing another thermostat is slim to none. All right, go get it programmed at a dealer. Them aftermarket shops, don't do it there. Take it to a dealer. They use a proper tool, the proper scan tool to get it done. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.